What's going on, Sacred family? Today's gonna be a quick tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how you can customize your After Effects and Premiere Pro. If you're like me, my timeline has been looking a little boring these days, so I decided to spice it up a little bit and I want to change the color, change the theme. If you guys know the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. We drop tutorials every single day this month. Hit that like button. Let's get straight into this quick tutorial. First up, we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Edit, Preferences, Labels. For here, for the label defaults, they already have the colors installed. But if you want to switch up the color for your video, your audio, your folder, no solid, camera, shape, adjustment, text, you guys can go ahead and change it here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spice it up. I'm gonna change it all to green. Shout out Brian Delamata for this because I honestly seen his timeline and his time indicators and everything, and they're all green and it's pretty fire. Then I'm gonna go over here to label color, go to green, and I'm gonna change these to 0, 0, 255, so it's neon green. Once again, shout out Brian Delamata, fire. After that, press OK. As you guys can see, it's green. And also I'm going green, shout out Brian Delamata once again. His shake sauce is green. His workflow, I got the green right there. Pretty fire to have. Now we're gonna press Control F12. If you guys are on Mac, press Command F12. Then we're gonna go to Console, go ahead and debug database view. Then we're gonna search up color. Make sure you guys enable theme colorizing. After that, go ahead and close that out. Then we're gonna go to Edit, Preference, Appearance, and then from here I'm gonna bring it to the lighter so the colors pop out more. Then I'll go to change color, so 0 red, 0 blue, green, 255 to get that neon. Press OK. Boom, that changes the color of everything. Pretty fire. Now that we're in Premiere, we're gonna go Control F12 once again. If you're on Mac, Command F12, go to Console, debug database view, and go ahead and search up color, enable theme colorizing. Once that's done, go ahead and close out, go to Edit, Preferences, go to Labels. Now I'm gonna go ahead and change forest to a neon green. Bring that down to 0. Bring those down to 0. Put the green at 255. It's okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and change them all to forest. I'm gonna go under appearance again. I'm gonna go ahead and press on change color. Go ahead and change color. Bring that red to 0, blue to 0, green 255. It's okay. As you guys can see, everything comes out green. Pretty far. You make new layers like an adjustment layer. Everything will be green. Pretty far. If you want your After Effects to look like mine with shake sauce and workflow, I'll have it linked down in the description below. Shake sauce is the best shake in all of After Effects. Makes it super easy and quick to add shake and also customize it. And workflow just speeds up your workflow by auto trimming layers. There's quality of life things inside of After Effects. If you're interested, I'll have them both linked down below and you can learn more. Drop a like on the video and make sure you hit the subscribe button because 80% of you guys aren't subscribed. Drop tutorials every single day. Let's get it, family. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.